Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is about mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis. Mitosis, the second and shortest stage of the cell cycle, the process in which the duplicated contents of the cell nucleus are divided into two equal parts, occur in order for organisms to grow and develop. What is the end result of mitosis? Two daughter nuclei, each with the same number and kinds of chromosomes as the original is a process where a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells, cell divisions. During mitosis, one cell divides once to form two identical cells. The major purpose of mitosis is for growth and to replace worn out cells. If not corrected in time, mistake made during mitosis can result in changes in the DNA that can potentially lead to genetic disorders. Mitosis is divided into five phases: interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and the last one is telophase. What is interphase? Cells are constantly going through the cell cycle. Once a cell divides, its daughter cell just repeat the cycle. The part of the cycle between cell divisions is called interphase. During this period, the cell grows and prepares for mitosis. It consists of three phases: J1, S, and J2. Here are three stages of interphase. G1 phase cells carry out metabolic activities to prepare the S phase. The second, S phase, synthesis phase. DNA is replicated. G2 phase, organelles and molecules required for cell divisions are produced. Cell prepares for mitosis. The G1 phase is the first growth phase of the interphase. The biosynthetic activities of the cell take place rapidly during the J1 phase. The synthesis of proteins as well as the increasing the number of organelles like mitochondria and ribosomes occurs at the J1 phase. J1 phase is followed by the S phase. Replications of DNA commences and completes during the S phase, forming two sister chromatids per single chromosome. The polyfold cell remains unchanged by doubling of the amount of DNA during the replication. The S phase is complicated with a short period of time in order to rescue DNA from external factors like mutagen. S phase is followed by the G2 phase. The G2 phase is the second growth phase of the interphase, which allows the cell to complete its growth prior of its division. Prophase, chromatin condensed into chromosomes nucleus disappears. In early prophase, the cell starts to break down some structure and build other up, setting in the stage for divisions of the chromosomes. The chromosomes starts to condense, making them easier to pull apart later on. The meiotic spindle begins to form. The spindle is structure made for microtubules, strong fibers that are part of the cell's skeleton. Its job is to organize the chromosomes and move them around during mitosis. The spindle grows between the centrosomes as they move apart. The nucleus or nuclear plural is a part of the nucleus where ribosomes are made disappears. This is a sign that the nucleus is getting ready to break down. In late prophase, sometimes also called prometaphase, the mitotic spindle begins to capture and organize the chromosomes. The chromosomes become even more condensed, so they are very impact. The nuclear envelope breaks down, releasing the chromosomes. The mitotic spindle grows more, and some of the microtubules starts to capture chromosomes. The second phase of mitosis is metaphase. The chromosomes lines up across the center of the cell. Microtubules connect the centromere of each chromosomes to the poles of the spindle. Anaphase. Chromosomes break at centromeres and sister chromatids move to opposite ends of the cell. Anaphase refers to the third stage of cell division, which occurs between metaphase and telophase. It occurs in both mitosis and meiosis. During metaphase, the chromosomes are arranged into the equatorial plate of the cell. Spindle fibers get attached to the other centromere, and mitosis individual chromosomes are arranged in the equatorial plate. In the metaphase 1 of meiosis 1, homologous chromosomes are arranged there, while in the metaphase 2 of the meiosis 2, individual chromosomes are arranged in the equatorial plate. Telophase is the fourth and final phase of mitosis. Chromosomes gather at opposite ends of the cell and lose their distinct shape. A new nuclear envelope forms around each cluster of chromosomes. What is meiosis? Meiosis is the process by which reproductive cells, also called gametes, are formed. Very similar to mitosis, but cells divide two times. So gametes have half the number of chromosomes of body somatic cells. Meiosis is a special type of cell division. Unlike mitosis, the way normal body cells divide, meiosis results in cells that only have the usual number of chromosomes, one from each pair. For that reason, meiosis is often called reduction division. And this is the end of our topic, and thank you. Have a nice day.